Hello everyone, this I'm Rajni Tiwari, and this is my new upcoming book. This is Road Towards World Peace through Walt Whitman and Kiki and Darwala's poems, and we can say it's a compilation of all my research papers which I had published in national and international journals, and even in Malaysian journal. And this poem it describes about what Whitman and Kiki and Daruwala tried to speak through their poems, and we can say that Walt Whitman had been an American poet, and Kiki and Daruwala had been an Indian poet, but they had many common things, that they loved common masses, they loved nature, they loved animals, they wanted, universal brotherhood, comradeship, and you know like love, comradeship, universal brotherhood should be there amongst all. They wanted to make this world a better place to live in, and so it tells about their poems that which speaks about all these things. And they wanted that there should be one religion in the whole world. They wanted that there should be peace, unity, and everyone should get their rights. And they have tried to talk about preserving nature and not killing animals, and be better human beings. And they have talked about spirituality, yoga, meditation. They always wanted to come close to human beings, because they feel that coming they wanted to share their thoughts, their views, their ideas along with them. They wanted to talk to them, and that was possible only through writing the poems, that they could touch their hearts. And Kiki and Daruwala, he had been an IPS officer too, and he has received a Sahitya Academy Award. And they are two very great and eminent poets, and one should go through them through their poems. And one of the famous poem of Walt Whitman is "Oh Captain, My Captain." It is kind of a tribute to Abraham Lincoln, and how he sacrificed his life for his countrymen. It speaks about all these things. And even Keki and Daruwala, he has paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi through his poems, and he has written about historical great personalities like Ashoka, that how he fought such a great battle, and at last he felt that everything is, killing people. It's all and battles, wars, all these kind of things. They are all for futile, and you should win, people's heart. That is the biggest thing in this world. And then only you should try to rule people's heart, and that is through only love, peace, uh, and humanity. And they have tried to put across a great message amongst people through their poems. They have tried to put across their message of peace and humanity, love, which should prevail throughout the world. And individual, they cannot change others, they can only change themselves. And one should learn even from nature, from animals, that they are so caring, kind, compassionate. So even we should be like caring, compassionate towards other people, and just like them. And not only just they should we should not run after competition, cutthroat competition. And we should learn to relax, we should learn to love and be caring for other, be compassionate, helpful. These things are also very important in life. And one should not only run after materialistic things. And these two poets, they have tried through their poems, they have tried to make this world a better place to live in. They have they are spreading the message of uh, humanity, and they want to fight for those rights, whether it's for women, children, and other innocent people who become victims in day to day